Good morning. It is the top of day 4. We are leaving Norfolk, Virginia, and I believe we are heading for, let me consult my notes. We're gonna go from Norfolk to Coinjock today. We are a day ahead of schedule. We're doing fantastic. I'm gonna get the coffee going. We're gonna get the day started. I'm gonna check up with you guys shortly. So the sun is up on day 4. We're making decent time. We are gonna be driving past some monster flat top gray boats. It's a little chilly. I'm not in the foul weather gear yet. We are expecting heavy rain. We're gonna cook some breakfast here. Probably in the next 30 minutes. I am on the clock at 8 to drive the boat until probably around 10 a.m. unless my dad has meetings run late again, in which case, who knows when I'm getting off. Definitely taking a nap today. I drank a little too much beer last night. Just been a consistent theme of this entire trip.
We are on our way into the ICW. Our destination is Coinjock, which is about 25-30 miles down. We're going through the Albemarle Chesapeake Bay now, and it is part of the ICW, the Intracoastal Waterway. So this is our first trek to the waterway.
This is a heavily industrial area. We are in Norfolk, Virginia. At one point in my life, I worked with asbestos litigation claims in this area. Open sesame. Quick little update for you guys. Sorry I did not film that entire lock opening up. I was flying the drone while we had stopped the boat waiting for that to open, and your boy sliced his hand open pretty good, catching the drone out of midair. It's just but a flesh wound, should have buff out. We're gonna keep this thing rocking, and we're through that momentary stop.
Come down here. 1 bridge, 2, 3, railroad. And then what happens here is, come down, see joins A?
Yeah.
Goes right to here. This is the Great Dismal Swamp right here, and we're coming straight.
The Albemarle Chesapeake Canal.
I know I may not be gone, and I know I may not be gone.
Get into a lock. They fill it up with water, and then you proceed into the next one.
The lock's not as dramatic as you think it is. It only goes up like 1.5 feet.
All right, get your fenders out.
All right. So we effectively have come from Baltimore, going southbound. Remember how I said there was a storm brewing? Holy nap time. I finished up my shift drive in the boat, got down to my bunk, read a little bit of my book, and just passed out. We are 45 minutes away from Coinjock, which I believe is a marina we're staying at tonight. They have a slip. I think they have a restaurant. Hopefully I'm gonna get a shower. Exciting times. We'll see you guys soon.